In this project, we're going to make a collecting eggs game. In this game, there will be colorful eggs all around the screen, and your job is to move your character to collect them all. Remember to save your project as collecting eggs by your name before we start. Let's take a look at the finished game first. You'll see a character that can move around using arrow buttons. When the character touches an egg, it disappears. That means you've collected it. Your goal is to catch them all. Now let's make the game. First, let's delete the default character. Press and hold on it, and tap the red X when it shows up. Next, let's add a background. Tap the background button, choose one you like, and when you're happy, tap the check mark at the top. Now let's add your player character. Tap the plus button on the left side, and choose a character you like. I'll choose a penguin. If it's too big, drag the shrink block, tap it once or twice to make it smaller. Place your character near the bottom left corner by dragging it. Now we'll make the character move using the arrow buttons. Tap the penguin's workspace. We'll drag these blue blocks onto the screen. The up arrow, the down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Now, we will drag an open envelope in front of each arrow block. Each envelope will have a different color. Up will be orange, down will be red, right will be green, and left will be blue. These colors will match our arrow buttons later. Next, let's make our arrow buttons. Tap the plus button on the left side. Tap the paintbrush tool. Draw 4 arrows, up, down, left, and right, using the brush and shape tools. Once you're done, tap the check mark. Place all 4 arrows near the bottom right corner. If they're too big or small, use grow or shrink blocks to resize them. Now let's make each arrow send a message to move the penguin. Starting with the up arrow. Drag the start on tap block. Drag the closed envelope block. And make sure it's orange. This is the same color as the penguin's up envelope. Now we will do the same for the other arrows. The down arrow will have the red envelope. The right arrow will have the green envelope, and the left arrow will have the blue envelope. When you're done, test it by tapping the arrows. Your character should move in each direction. Now let's make the eggs for your penguin to collect. Tap the plus button on the left side and tap the paintbrush tool at the top. Draw your egg using the circle shape and decorate it using the brush and the paint bucket tools. When you're happy, tap the check mark. If it's too big, use the shrink block to make it smaller. Now add more eggs until you have 5 in total. Place them around the screen by dragging them. Now let's code what happens when your penguin touches an egg. Tap one of the eggs and drag the start on bump block. Drag the wait block and change the number to 5. Drag the hide block. This will make your egg disappear when the penguin touches it. Copy this code to all the other eggs. Now we're done coding. Tap full screen and press the green flag to play your game. Move your penguin around and try to collect all the eggs. Nice work! You just made a collecting eggs game using block coding. Now try to make it even better. You could add more eggs and give each one a different color, or make a harder level where the eggs move around.